Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Drax and we are driving on the northern coastal highway that takes you through Drax. And today we're going to talk about the upgrading of this road to a highway. It's actually going to be 6 lanes and it's going to be called Drax Boulevard. Now, Drax is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. It's what you call a success story for Jamaica. Today we are going to talk about the construction of Draxhall Boulevard. The construction of the Draxhall Boulevard in Draxhall represents one of the most significant infrastructure upgrades currently shaping Jamaica's north coast. Once a relatively quiet stretch along the main corridor between Ocho and St. Anne's Bay, Draxhall has rapidly evolved into a bustling zone of commercial activity, residential expansion and investment. This transformation has placed immense pressure on the existing road network, making the development of a modern boulevard not only necessary but urgent. At its core, the Draxhall Boulevard project is about redesigning a traditional roadway into a structured urban corridor. Unlike a standard highway, a boulevard is built to accommodate both high volume traffic and local access. This includes multiple lanes, medians, proper turning lanes, pedestrian pathways, and often service roads that separate through traffic from vehicles entering businesses and residential areas. The goal is to create a safer, more efficient, and more organized transportation system that can support long-term growth. The need for this upgrade stems directly from the explosive development taking place in Draxel. Over the past decade, the area has attracted major housing developments, shopping centers, and business operations. What was once a pass-through location has become a destination in its own right. However, the road infrastructure did not evolve at the same pace. As a result, the corridor began to experience heavy congestion, frequent traffic delays, and increased safety risks, particularly during peak hours and tourism seasons. The Boulevard project is expected to significantly improve traffic flow along this critical stretch of roadway. By expanding lanes and introducing better traffic management features, it will reduce bottlenecks and allow for smoother movement between key towns on the north coast. This is especially important given the strategic importance of the corridor, which connects major tourism areas and supports both local commuters and commercial transport. Beyond traffic relief, the project plays a vital role in supporting economic growth. Businesses depend on accessibility, and the improved road network will make it easier for customers, suppliers, and workers to move efficiently within the area. The boulevard will also enhance the attractiveness of Draxall for future investments, as developers are likely to build in areas with reliable and modern infrastructure. In conclusion, the construction of the Draxall Boulevard is more than a road upgrade. It is a transformative project that supports mobility, economic expansion, and urban planning in one of Jamaica's fastest growing regions. As Draxall continues to develop, the boulevard will serve as a backbone for its progress, ensuring that infrastructure keeps pace with ambition and that growth is both sustainable and well managed. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.